What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we've got a fun one from VIZIUUY. This is a home security camera. This is a 5 megapixel PTZ security camera, and this will actually let you control the camera from your phone remotely. You can view it remotely, you can move it around remotely, as well as not only store data on the device itself, but you can have it automatically upload to the cloud. So even if someone were to come in and just take this off and steal it from your home, you still have the video of that in the cloud. Super cool, super useful stuff. We're going to open this up and check out the device itself. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to Geeks Outfit. This is their Stardew Valley t-shirt. They have or Hawaiian shirt, I should say, Hawaiian style shirt. It's a button down. They have really high quality, fun, geeky, techy, even some Halloween merch and stuff coming out. Definitely check their site out. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Now, onto the security camera. This is the model VZ5D3, you can see here, and it is controlled with the Cloud Edge app, as all of their other VIZIUUY phones, as all of their other VIZIUUY cameras are as well. So if you have multiple cameras, you can control them all from the same app, which is very useful. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like inside. All right, so we are opening the box, and the first thing we have is an instruction manual. Very nice. So we have the instruction manual here. It has a 1-year warranty, as well as right away links to the video tutorials and the apps and stuff that you'll need to actually connect to Cloud Edge and sign up for cloud storage or all those things you want. Here are the QR codes for that as well. Hopefully they work through the video. And we're going to go on, and we see that we have a sticker noting that there's 24-hour video surveillance. And then we have the mounting stickers. So if you're mounting it on a ceiling, you use the top half. If you're mounting it on a wall, you use the bottom half, and this is the distance that you have to screw. Useful to have these templates when installing security cameras. Let's go ahead and pull the rest of this out. We have the device, but I'm going to check and see if there's anything underneath this plastic, because it does have some plastic here. And yes, there is an accessories box as well, so let's check that out. Inside the box, or accessories, we have a quality assurance sticker. At least it went through QA, that's right. We have some mounting hardware, so we have these screws as well as the appropriate mounting hardware depending on what kind of wall you're going to install it on. We have a charger, which is surprising. Not a lot of cameras actually come with chargers. Now most devices just have kind of like the USB cable, and they expect you to have your own charger, so it's nice to see that. Props to them. This is a 5-volt 1000 milliamp hour charger, so more than enough for a camera like this. Let's go ahead and open up this cable here. We have a USB cable for power, and we have a waterproof housing for that cable, which I'll show you how to connect shortly. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the camera, and it is a very small form factor. This is actually much smaller than some of the other cameras we reviewed in the past. So it's actually going to be a lot more out of the way. Let's go ahead and peel this off right here. It's on there. There we go. So it's nice to see it's a smaller form factor. However, you will notice that because of its smaller form factor, there is not a solar powered charging port here. There isn't a way to get power all the time. So that means you will need to have this cable plugged in, providing power to the device. So all we need to do is use this other end here, plug the USB-C into the USB-C here, just like that. So we're basically plugging a USB-C into the USB-C port, and then you take this housing and screw it in, and now this cable is waterproof. And depending on how you want to mount it, you can have the cable routed down so that it's out of the way and it can be against a wall. If you have it on the ceiling, then you don't have any issue with that, because it's just mounted through the ceiling here. But yeah, very cool small device. I'd probably say this would work well as an indoor camera, because you can actually plug it in to indoor power and just kind of like stick it on the ceiling or something in your house and get security indoors. And then I would buy one of their solar powered ones for outdoors. Now, if we look at the top, we can actually pull this part open, and you can see where the power reset as well as an SD card slot is. So you can actually install an SD card slot so that you can store all your data on the device itself, and then just pull it off when you need it. Or I should say because you could do both. You can actually store the data in the cloud with one of the apps in the plan. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a good one. Peace.
Mike the Deck, he's the quickest in the West. Cycle the reps, he is simply the best. Mike the Tech, the architect. That's that digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unbox and kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's Mike the Tech, Mike the Tech, Mike the Tech, the architect, Mike the Tech, Mike the Tech, yeah, Mike the Tech, the architect,